In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to quickly gather information using a straightforward and accessible format, this is the perfect tutorial for you. So, let's jump right in and make a fillable form using Google Docs. First off, we need to fire up our web browser. No matter what browser you prefer, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, the process is the same. Head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs, then hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results, and you'll want to click on the link that takes you directly to Google Docs. Once you've opened up the Google Docs page, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Google account. This step is crucial, as Google Docs is part of the suite of Google Workspace tools, which requires an account to access their full functionality. Upon logging in, you'll see options to create a new document. Open a new Google Doc by selecting Blank under the Start. A new document section. With your new document open, navigate up to the toolbar at the top and look for the Insert option. From the drop-down menu, choose Table. Here, you can decide how many rows and columns you'll need for your form. Typically, a couple of columns, say 2 or 3, should suffice, and you can always add more rows later if needed. In the first column of your table, you will type the labels for the form's fields. For instance, you can start with common fields like name, email, and phone number. Each row in this column will represent a different field in your form. Next, move to the adjacent column. Here, you have a couple of choices. You can either type instructions for the user, such as type your full name here, or you can leave these cells blank. If you choose the latter, you might want to format the cell as a placeholder to make it user-friendly. Now, to beautify your form and ensure everything looks tidy, select the entire table, right-click, and choose Table Properties. Here, you can set the vertical alignment to the middle and the horizontal alignment to the center. This helps to neatly center your text within each cell, enhancing the form's appearance. To give your fillable fields a more polished look, akin to text boxes, select any unnecessary cell borders. Navigate to Format, then Table, followed by Table Properties, and finally, Table Border. Here, you can adjust the table border's width to 0 or change its color to white, effectively making those borders disappear. And there you have it, a simple yet effective fillable form created right within Google Docs. It's a fantastic way to keep things organized while ensuring all your necessary fields are clear and easy to fill out. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Happy form creating!